Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope. Choose the exact region and time frame so results are relevant to your market. Enter 3 to 5 seed terms that represent product names, problems, or competitor brands. Once done, pick the right search type, web for demand, YouTube for intent, and set category to filter noise. This focused input prevents misleading spikes and gives you comparable relative interest immediately, so you can spot which terms are gaining traction and which are flat. Now analyze what those trends mean. Inspect interest over time to distinguish seasonal peaks from sustained growth, and normalize by region to compare apples to apples. Use related queries, especially the rising list, to discover emergent keywords and long-tail phrases you can target. Then break results down by subregion and city to find geographic hotspots. Make sure to cross-check spikes with news or promotions, because context explains whether traffic signals. Finish by validating insights. Export CSV and merge trends data with your sales, Search Console, or add metrics to confirm signals translate to conversions. Prioritize actions on keywords and regions showing sustained upward trends and reasonable absolute interest. Then test with small campaigns or inventory shifts. If you run into noisy data or empty results, broaden the time frame, switch category, or slightly alter search phrasing to capture signals. This troubleshooting step resolves sampling issues and reveals clearer patterns for confident decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.